Midnight Raven here, and today we're going to do a box I haven't done in like 8 or 9 months. We're talking, and we are doing Glossybox. It has been so long that I've literally forgotten about Glossybox. I sat there the other day and I was watching my Twitter feed, as you do, and this thing popped up about Glossybox for this month, that they had a special thing, and that a friend of mine had a discount code for Glossybox that I could use to get a little bit cheaper, and I was like, I am straight in there getting Glossybox. It comes like this. I believe it still costs a tenner. I believe it's 10. I will just check. I've just checked. It is £10, but you do pay P&P. But I did have a coupon to get money off the actual box. I still had to pay P&P though. You can't get everything free. So, tearing in this box. Oh, to get to the real good stuff. Oh. I have a playlist for all my unboxings for my beauty. I will link it at the end of this video, or it will pop up at some point. So here's the actual box. The Glossybox itself is always come in a pink box. So you get 5 items for £10, which is a brilliant idea. I've had Glossybox for a while, and then I stopped, and then I started, and then I stopped, and I can't go backwards and forwards. It depends how their boxes are each month. If I've had a couple of months where I'm like, then I like take a step back and take a different box. But I haven't done unboxings of makeup in a while. It's been a real while. So it all comes nicely boxed. There's a little bow. Love the detailing that Glossybox go into. It's bowed. It's tissue papered. Oh, so much good stuff. We'll take a look at the card first. So this month it says Glossy, listen up. Created edit of 6 products will help you prep and get organized this September. Oh, there's 6 items. That's cool. Okay. So I have a sneak peek for October. So ladies out there, if you want the sneak peek. So the sneak peek says, trick or treat, what's coming to your door? We're treating you to an intense antimatter lipstick from Alm Aqua. RIP, £20. Wow. And if you're a subscriber, I think you get to choose the colour, whether you want the purple or the pink. Sometimes they let you choose the colour. Basically, you get an email come to you and you'll be able to pick which colour, because it looks like there's a purple and it looks like there's a pink. And for me, it's got to be purple. This is the back to school edition. So we have the items there, and then we have all the items on the back, so I can tell you all the good stuff that you need to know about each item. So let's open the actual box so we can see what we've got. So apparently there's 6 items in this one. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. See, look at that. All nicely packaged and everything. Ooh, it's like Christmas in a box. Okay, so let's go for this one. So this is the Beauty Pro Detoxifying Bubbling Cleansing Mask with activated charcoal. Oh, if you've just seen my latest in beauty box, you'll know I love not only charcoal but cleansing masks. So this is from Beauty Pro. It's $4.95. You can get it from beautypro.com. It's activated charcoal. It's a miracle worker for blemishes, prone to acne. Sit back and relax while the bubbles micro massage your face. Ooh, sounds very cool. Clean away blackheads. The mask is dermatologically tested and cruelty free. So that sounds really cool. $4.95. Maybe a bit pricey for a mask, but it does have activated charcoal in it, which generally pushes up the price for items. So that's the first item. Good first item is really good. You can check out more for Glossybox on their website. Let's have a look. Right, next we have Daily Concepts Facial Mini Scrub with smart technology. Ooh, look at that. So this is from America, and it's using soya and natural cotton. It's travel size makeup remover and exfoliator sponge or exfoliator scrubber. So it's like a conjure sponge, I'm guessing. It's £8.85. So it's a bit pricey. I mean, I can get a conjure sponge for a lot cheaper than that. But you can get it from their shop. It's cotton layered, dermatologically tested, cruelty free, and it basically helps you to take your makeup. And this is in gentle. You can get gentle, mild, or vigorous. So it's not the most exciting item in the world, but £8.85, maybe a bit pricey. Okay, moving on. So I've had this item before. It's Bang Beauty. This is eyebrow cream. Now, I don't generally do anything with my eyebrows. I don't generally wear makeup, to be fair. It does come with its own little brush, which I think is adorable. It's £16.80. Maybe. £16.80 full price. If you can get yours open. Opened the wrong end. And it looks like this. I don't know if I can show you. Ooh, it looks like this. That is very, very dark. I mean, it's like cocoa coloured. Nothing gives you more of a confidence boost than a good brow. This eye cream is velvety and consistent. It is in a very dark colour though. It is in milk chocolate. So for me, I mean, my eyebrows are very light, so it's going to be too dark for me. But once again, you know, the items obviously won't be for everybody. But Bang Beauty is a really good cosmetics company though. Now we have a Model Co. Karl Lagerfeld lip liner in rosewood. So this is kind of cool. This is worth £25. Ouch. The price. So this is a lip liner in rosewood. If we can actually get it out. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing. So it looks like this. And it looks like this. And it looks like this. It's a kind of pinky colour. It looks really nice. It went on smoothly. Yeah, it's Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. Now, I've heard of Karl Lagerfeld, and Model Co. is an alright player. It says apply directly to your lips to create the illusion of a fuller pout. But it's worth 25 quid though. Very pricey. Right. Next. On to the next item. The next item is this I can't read the writing. Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. Ooh, so this sounds interesting. Scalp Detox. It's. Hang on a minute. Okay, so I've had to have a look again because the writing is so small on the back. I mean, I can't read that. So basically, it's a scalp detox exfoliating pre-wash treatment. So the idea is you use this before you shampoo your hair. It does contain castor oil beads that are natural and pomegranate enzymes to help unclog the impurities and the pores in your hair to give it a luscious look. So it's basically like a hair mask. The actual price is £7.37 for this one, and a full size would be £28, and that would be for 190 mils. So it's another good size item. And then last of all, we have an item that I'm not really thrilled about, and these are organic #1s, wet ones. These are Be Fresh for hand and body. There's 12 wipes in there. Not really a fan of putting wet wipes and that in beauty boxes. I think it's basically a waste. £1.19. You can get these from most places. These ones come from Boots. They kill 99.9% of germs. So that was that. There's no extra this time. Sometimes you do get extras. Obviously, we got 6 items this time. This one's basically the throwaway item. So overall, I love the mask. The hair scalp thing could come in handy. Not a fan of the colour of the rosewood. The bang tidy one is just not my colour whatsoever. And the sponge could be quite useful. And then you got the wet one. So that was £10 for 6 items. Generally you get 5. They do have a tendency to throw the odd item in as well. They are pretty good when it comes to stuff like that. So if you want to check out Glossybox yourself, it's £10 a month. I will try and find any codes that I can to save you money. But like I said, I've only just started getting these again. And the sneak peek, like I said, if you want to get a really gorgeous lipstick from Luminous Aqua or Luminous Aqua, an anti-matter lipstick, I cannot wait to get my thing. I'm hopefully going to get that one, and it will be purple if I then get to choose. God forbid it's not pink. So if you want to check out Glossybox, I will leave all the details down below. A playlist will pop up here somewhere showing you all the other Glossyboxes and all my other makeup unboxings that I have done. If you want to like and subscribe to me to hopefully see this October box when it comes out, so you can see the lipstick, and comment down below your favourite item. So if you'd love to give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you very soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye!